Hello students. Now in this session I will explain question number 3 and 4 of exercise 7.1. So let's see what is there in question number 3. We have, it is given that triangle ABC is congruent. Now this is a symbol of congruent. Okay, remember that. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Fine. Now if they are congruent to each other, then in this case we have to write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangle. Now what are the corresponding sides and angles? Let me draw the triangle first. Okay, these are the two triangles which are congruent to each other. It's little difficult to draw A, B, C and F, E, D. Now what are the corresponding parts they are saying? So the two triangles are congruent only when all the sides and the corresponding angles are equal to each other. Fine. So corresponding angles means this angle is equals to this angle. You see, apex angle equals to apex angle. Now this angle would be equals to this angle would be equals to this angle. This is also one of the corresponding angle, and this angle is equals to this angle. So these are all the corresponding angles. Fine. Now what are the corresponding sides, students? This side is equals to this side. You see how I am doing? Observe it very properly. Now this side is equals to this side, and finally this side is equals to this side. Fine. So we have to write all these things. So all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangles are, you see. So we'll write corresponding angles. First we'll write corresponding angles. So what are the corresponding angles we just discussed? We discussed angle A is equals to angle F. Okay, now this can be written in this way also. Angle A, this is a symbol that you can give instead of equals to sign, students. Okay, and angle B is equals to, sorry, this is FED, angle E. So this you can write as angle B. This is a symbol that we have to prove. Instead of equals to sign, you can give this. And finally we can write angle C is equals to angle D. So how we can write this? Very easy, isn't it? So this was all about corresponding angles. Now let us write about some corresponding sides. Fine. So corresponding sides would be, now AB is equals to, AB would be equals to FE, isn't it? BC is equals to, see they are sharing the same mark, so BC is equals to ED, and AC is equals to FT, isn't it? So this is the solution of sum number 3, students. Fine. So we have written all the corresponding angles and sides of the two triangles which are congruent to each other, that is triangle ABC and triangle FED. And remember that this is a congruent symbol. Fine. This is how we represent congruency. Now let's move on to sum number 4. Okay, very important sum and very easy as well. Now two triangles are given in the question. Two triangles are given in the question, students. So this is the triangle. So this is the triangle they have given. Yes. Now the name of one triangle is given DEF. Yes. So DEF, and it is given A, B and C. Fine. Now it is said that DEF is congruent to triangle, sorry I have not given the triangle sign here, ABC, sorry not ABC but BCA. Fine. So how to know that which angle is equals to which angle and which side is equals to which side? So now we can easily predict all those things, all those corresponding angles and sides from this thing only. You see, now D is in the first position, B is in the first position, E is in the second position, C is in the second position, F is in the third position and A is in the third position. So the corresponding angles, you see, what are the corresponding angles? We'll first write it down, the corresponding angles first. Then we'll answer the question of the required question, whatever is written in question number 4. So what are the corresponding angles? You see, so we can easily write it down from this letter only. You do not have to see the figure also. So what is there in the first position? D. And what is there in the first position in other triangle? That is B. So angle D is equals to angle B. You see, so easy. Angle E is equals to angle what? C. See, so easy. Now angle F would be equals to angle A. So this was all about corresponding angle. Now how to write the corresponding sides? Just by looking to this part. So it is also very easy, you see. Corresponding sides, now we'll write corresponding sides. So once you know this, then it will become very, very easy to answer all the 4 questions that is given in question number 4. Now see, these two, the first 2 letters are what? DE, and what is the first 2 letter in other triangle? BC. So DE, DE is equals to BC. Fine. 1 2 1 2. Okay. Now EF, second position and third position. So second position is what? E, and third position is given what? F. What is there in this another triangle? C. What is there in the second position? C and A. That is second, third, second, third. First, second, first, second. Now one more. First and last. That is, first is what? D and last is what? F. Same thing, we'll see it here also. First is what? B and last is what? A. So this is how we predict the corresponding angles and corresponding sides. Okay. So now we'll answer all the questions of question number 4. Now in the question they have said, if these 2 triangles are congruent to each other, so what is the corresponding angle? What is the corresponding angle to angle E? So angle E would be equals to what? See, angle C. You can easily answer this now. Number 2, what is given? EF. Now EF is a side, this is a line segment. So EF is equals to what? CA, isn't it? Now number 3, what is there in number 3? Angle F. Now see, angle F is equals to what? Angle A. Absolutely. And what is the last question? The last question is DF. Now we have to see what is the corresponding sides to DF. DF is equals to BA. Now we will give this sign here also and here also. Fine. So I hope all of you have understood these 2 questions today. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you all and take care.